Racing just is started. We have Colonial Star break quickly to start. Rushing up on the outside is Gold Sunrise, my pave. Running by the rail, isang kahig, isang tuka. Okay, Mr. Van Mahilig. In the middle portion is Pure Imagination. Please simply believe. Lear Pass Choice second last. While a Storm Goddess is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. We have isang kahig, isang tuka. Moving up down on the inside. Colonial Star is on the outside. Then followed by Gold Sunrise, my pave is running by the railport, and in fifth comes okay, Mr. Van. Moving up on the outside is Pure Imagination. Please comes next, Simply Believe, Mahilig. Then followed now by Lear Pass Choice, while Storm Goddess is still racing in 11th. And on the fourth turn, we have isang kahig, isang tuka, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. My baby in second, Gold Sunrise. Moving up now on the outside is Pure Imagination. Simply Believe is running by the rail. And they are now entering the home stretch. We are isang kahig, isang tuka, this time by about 4 lengths. And in second, my pave moving up, Simply Believe. And on the outside is Pure Imagination. Last 75 meters, we have isang kahig, isang tuka. And finally, the curtain closer. Isang kahig, isang tuka. My pave, Simply Believe. Then comes Mahilig. Pure Imagination, please, for your Super 6.
Alright, diado to. Numero 2, isang kahig, isang tuka, ridden by Apprentice Marlon Pilaloma. Masisigundoy 11, my pave. Panoorin natin replay nito ating panel race.